Well, students, again we'll go with the polynomials as you have seen in previous videos. Uh, Remainder theorem, and here we are going to discuss important topic factor theorem and factorization of polynomial, which is very important in this chapter, polynomial chapter, and it will be further required in further other calculations. So it is very important topic, factorization of a polynomial. Here we will discuss what is factor theorem, and with the use of factor theorem we will factorize some polynomial, and another method of factorization is also we will discuss here. Previous videos, you can go through the videos. A link is given in this video, in description of this video link is given. So with the help of that link you can go to the previous videos where you will find the introduction to the polynomial and the remainder theorem, and how to find the remainder with the help of remainder theorem, and how to divide a polynomial with another polynomial, all discussed in previous videos. So you must go through those videos also, so you will having better knowledge. And here we are going to discuss factor theorem and factorization of polynomial. Topic is this for exercise 2.4. In exercise 2.4 these two topics will be covered. Here what factor theorem state, first we will see what is the statement of the factor theorem. This is not much required that you remember the statement, but understand what is the factor theorem, that will be requirement. Here factor theorem states that if Px is a polynomial of degree n greater than equal to 1, means either quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial or linear polynomial, there will be very less linear polynomial, but you will be getting quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. So degree is greater than equal to 1 and a is a real number, any number with another polynomial. That polynomial will be described in the example. Then if a is a number, then x minus a, then statement of the theorem is x minus a. With this a, x minus a is a factor of x minus a is a factor if pa is equal to 0. Here pa, this number which is here used, x minus a is a factor if pa is equal to 0. In previous video you have seen that pa is equal to pa. What is pa? Pa is when this px is divided by x minus a, then pa is remainder, and if remainder is equal to 0, then x minus a is factor of px. This is the statement. In remainder theorem also we have discussed one question. If remainder is equal to 0, here statement is slightly changed, that x minus a is a factor if pa is equal to 0. Here it is not given that pa is remainder, but you know that if px is divided by x minus a, then pa is remainder, and if remainder is 0, then divisor will be factor of dividend. Whenever remainder is 0, then divisor is factor of dividend. Another way it is statement, another way which will be used in questions. Pa is equal to 0. If we are getting pa, already pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is factor of px. This two-way statement is given because question will be two types. One, directly we will be finding out whether some function is, some polynomial is factor, and in other type of question it is given that if given polynomial, linear polynomial is factor of another polynomial, then what is the condition? Condition is pa is equal to 0. In that case some unknown constant will be there, so that will be calculated in the example. Here one example I have taken. Suppose that and a polynomial 3x square plus 5x plus 2 is a polynomial, then you have to check whether x plus 2 is factor of this polynomial px. This is px. Then you have to check x plus 2 is factor of this px. That we are going to check. Then what? How to check? X minus a is a factor if pa is equal to 0, and if pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is factor. Here x plus 2 is the polynomial which you are going to check. Then what we will check? Whether p minus 2 is equal to 0. We are going to check whether p minus 2 is equal to 0. Here p minus 2 we are going to find out. P minus 2. X plus 2 है. If x plus 2 is there, then x is equal to minus 2 will be getting that 0. 0 of this polynomial is x is equal to minus 2. So p minus 2 we are going to check what is the value of the polynomial at x is equal to minus 2. This polynomial minus 2 square plus 5 minus 2 plus 2. Here minus 2 square 4. Here 5 minus 2. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 plus 2. 6 minus 10 minus 4. P minus 2 is not equal to 0. P minus 2 is not equal to 0. Then we can say that x minus 2 is not factor, because if p minus a is equal to 0, then only x minus a is a factor. X minus a is a factor if p minus 2 is equal to 0. P is equal to 0, then only x minus a is equal to x minus a is a factor. Here we are getting p minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 4, which is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0. Therefore decision is, since this is not equal to 0, x plus 2 is not factor of px. This is the decision. Suppose another polynomial, this linear polynomial is given. Check whether x minus 2 is factor of px. X plus 2 is not factor. Then check whether x minus 2 is a factor. For this one we have to find out. Here 0 is 2. 0 of this polynomial is 2. Then we check here p2 क्या आ रहा है. What we are getting? p2. Here p2 is equal to what? p2. This 2 will replace x here. Sorry, 3 we have forgotten here. So 1 minute. This we have forgotten. Here 3 4 are 12, 10. Here we are getting 2, 0. 2 plus 4 minus 2, 3, 4, 12, 10, 10 and 2. 4 we are getting, which is not equal to 0 again. Decision is, this is not equal to 0. Therefore x plus 2 is not factor of px. Is not factor of px. Another polynomial, check x minus 2 is a factor of px. Check x minus 2 is factor of px. Here again we will find out. Here 0 is 2, p2. We are going to find out value of p2, putting here in px 3 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 2 plus 2. So what we are getting? Again 12 plus 10, 12 plus 10 plus 2, 24. Again this is not equal to 0. So x minus 2 is also not factor of this. X minus 2 is not the factor and x plus 2 is not the factor. So therefore x minus 2 is not a factor of px. We are not getting factor because this p2 is not equal to 0 and p minus 2 also is not equal to 0. P minus 2 also is not equal to 0, so we are not getting factor here. Other examples we will see whether we are getting some factors. Note down this.